How are you guys? I'm here to share part one of my fall home tour, our living room and dining room. And honestly, I kept it so simple in this room, you guys. There's already a lot of pattern and color. The only thing I did do was on my couch, I switched out a pair of green pillows for these orange ones. And again, I pulled all the colors right out of this beautiful rug that I have. And then to really, bring in the feeling of fall, I created this little pumpkin patch centerpiece with these little white pumpkins that I love. The succulent planter, I showed you guys how to DIY that in my last video. And it's really pretty, so simple to pull together. And really, the rest of the room, I didn't add a whole lot. My shelf here is styled like it's always styled with all of my fun thrifted treasures. I mean, everything on here is thrifted, you guys. My blue and white pieces, the books, the candlesticks, I think maybe the boxes here. And that might be it, you guys. And oh, these little white trophy vases was from Michael's last year, and I love them so much. I do have this little glass pumpkin that I got a few years ago from Home Goods. And I want to, yes, and I have another pumpkin, this gold one that I want to say might have been from Michael's, also a few years old. This little squirrel or chipmunk that I got from West Elm. And again, I love the orange, which also, sort of pops in that small pillow. Again, from the rug, love all those beautiful blues and greens, which I kind of pulled in also on this side with the blue throw and the little oranges and greens in the small pillow. I added some texture with this macrame pillow. And every chair should have a little table or surface where you could put a drink. Here I have this little garden stool style with just a little bit of books. And here my favorite mirrors. Now we're moving on to the dining room. Everything here is mostly the same, you guys. The only thing that's different is my very simple table setting. This will be one of two table settings I'm sharing with you guys. So I didn't want to go over the top here. Very simple blue and white. Even the chargers are rattan, so it's very casual. But I did add some fun things like these little pumpkins. And of course the plates were already the perfect color palette. It's like it was meant to be. And I've had these dishes for years, you guys. Little pumpkin ceramic dishes are so cute from World Market. You can actually cook with them. My blue willow plates, and then of course this plate that really set off the oranges, the blues, the yellow, basically the same colors in my rug. Very simple accessories like this goblet. I did use my gold flatware just to add a little sparkle to things. For the centerpiece, I kept it so simple. Again, you can see the DIY how I created this faux pumpkin vase. And these are just some flowers from Trader Joe's. I didn't, want to do too much, but I did add little fun, quirky pieces like the brass deer and the pagoda candle holder and my blue candles from Hobby Lobby. Even my hutch got a little, a little fallified. That's not a word, you guys. And, just small little pumpkins, wine corks to add some texture, some of my Thanksgiving plates that I put out, more blue and white pieces. And honestly, oh, I love that little feather. I found it in the yard with my daughter. But anyway, you guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed the tour.